Are you confused about whether to invest in crypto or stocks? Don't worry, you're not alone. Today, I'll break it down simply, so you can make the best choice as a beginner. Stocks. Stocks represent ownership in a company. When you buy a stock, you're investing in the company's growth. It's more stable and less volatile than crypto. Companies like Apple, Amazon, or Coca-Cola have decades of performance history, making it easier to predict trends. Stocks are great if you're looking for steady, long-term growth. Crypto. On the other hand, cryptocurrency like Bitcoin or Ethereum is digital currency. It's highly volatile but offers potential for huge returns in a short time. However, crypto markets are unpredictable, and you could lose your money just as fast as you make it. It's like riding a roller coaster, exciting but risky. For beginners. If you're just starting out, stocks might be a safer bet because they are easier to research and come with fewer risks. However, if you're curious and willing to take a chance, you can start small with crypto. Just never invest more than you can afford to lose. So, what's better for beginners? It depends on your goals. Stocks are great for building wealth over time, while crypto offers higher risk and potential high rewards. Start slow, do your research, and always diversify. Which one are you leaning toward? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more financial tips.